Welcome back to the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Today's show is called Dr. Jeffrey Tauth, Hydration Secrets That Transform Heart Health. And trust me, it's juicier than your cousin's peach cobbler. Listen up, heart warriors. Most people think heart disease is all about cholesterol numbers and treadmill time, but there's one simple daily habit that could reduce your heart attack risk by 46%, and you're probably not doing it right. What am I talking about? Water. Plain old H2O. And before you roll your eyes and think this is some wellness guru nonsense, stick with me because the science will blow your mind. Here's the deal. Your blood is 83% water. Think about that for a second. When you're walking around dehydrated, which most of us are, your blood literally thickens like honey on a cold morning. Now imagine your poor heart trying to pump that thick, sluggish blood through miles of arteries and capillaries. It's like trying to suck a milkshake through a coffee stirrer. Your heart has to work 3 times harder just to keep you upright and breathing. And get this, even just 2% dehydration starts messing with your heart disease markers within hours. Yep, entirely true. I can't make this stuff up. As I always tell my patients, proper hydration acts like premium oil for your cardiovascular engine. You wouldn't put maple syrup in your car's engine, so why are you making your heart pump through molasses? Now let's talk research because I love dropping knowledge bombs on you. The folks at Loma Linda University followed 20,000 people for 6 years. That's serious science, not some weekend study. They found that people drinking 5 or more glasses of water daily had 41% fewer fatal heart attacks. But here's where it gets really interesting. Women saw even better results with a 46% reduction in cardiac events. Ladies, you're winning this hydration game. The reason this works is fascinating. When you're dehydrated, your body triggers the same stress response as if you were being chased by a bear. Your blood vessels constrict, your heart rate spikes, and everything goes into emergency mode. Meanwhile, you're just sitting at your desk wondering why you feel so lousy. Let me tell you about Sarah. Real patient, real results. She's a 52-year-old teacher with a family history of heart disease that would make a cardiologist nervous. Her dad had his first heart attack at 48. Her mom needed a bypass at 55. Sarah was convinced she was next in line, but instead of just accepting her genetic fate, she did something beautifully simple. She started drinking 1 glass of water every hour during her workday. That's it. No fancy supplements, no extreme diets, just water. Within 3 months, her resting heart rate dropped 12 beats per minute. 12! Her cardiologist called me asking what medication I'd put her on. When I told him it was just water, he thought I was pulling his leg. Her blood pressure normalized without changing any of her medications. This simple hydration habit literally transformed her cardiovascular health, and she's still going strong 2 years later. Here's the beautiful science behind why this works. Proper hydration maintains healthy blood viscosity. That's fancy doctor talk for keeping your blood flowing smoothly instead of like ketchup. Water helps transport nutrients to your heart muscle efficiently, kind of like having a high-speed delivery service instead of sending everything by horseback. Adequate fluid levels prevent dangerous blood clots from forming because thick, dehydrated blood loves to clump together like a bad family reunion. And here's something most people don't realize. Your kidneys need water to regulate your blood pressure naturally. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys panic and start hoarding sodium, which drives your blood pressure through the roof. Give them enough water and they relax and do their job like the filtration superstars they were designed to be. But here's what cracks me up. People will spend thousands on supplements and gym memberships, then walk around chronically dehydrated. If you're one of those folks drinking 2 cups of coffee and calling it hydration, maybe I should see you in the clinic. We need to talk. So here's your actionable takeaway, and it's so simple you might think I've lost my medical license. Starting tomorrow, drink 1 8-ounce glass of water every hour for 8 hours. Set phone reminders if you need to. Yes, you'll visit the bathroom more often initially. Consider it your new cardiovascular workout program. Your heart will thank you within days, your energy will improve, and you might just join Sarah in amazing your cardiologist. Remember, heart health doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the most powerful medicine comes from the simplest changes, And if drinking more water can cut your heart attack risk by nearly half, that's what I call the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy. This has been the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Until next time, stay healthy. And remember, if you're looking for answers, check out drjeffreytauth.us.com. Later, y'all.